Do you believe that Tesla stock is finally gaining traction at the Oracle of Omaha due to his extensive experience? Warren Buffett, often known as the Oracle of Omaha, is regarded as one of the world's most successful investors. Many are now speculating as to when he would touch Tesla stock. You would therefore not want to miss this. He has accomplished some amazing feats. In an interview from last year, Warren Buffett stated of Tesla CEO Elon Musk, Elon may turn the world on its head in several sectors. Although Buffett hasn't purchased any Tesla shares yet, there are many rumors that if he isn't already, he will soon do so. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, made yet another contentious comment shortly before Christmas. In 2023, he predicted Warren Buffett will probably take advantage of the volatility in the markets and buy a lot of inexpensive stocks. The CEO of Tesla, SpaceX, and Twitter stated, "I suspect that Warren Buffett is going to be buying a lot of stock next year," during a Twitter Spaces interview with Whole Mars Catalog. If a company has very strong fundamentals, but then the market is doing some short-term panic situation, obviously that's the right time to buy stock, Musk stated. As CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, Buffett's specialty is finding high-quality, undervalued companies and making long-term investments in them. He also has a reputation for striking during turbulent times. During the financial crisis, he made profitable partnerships with General Electric, Goldman Sachs, and other struggling businesses. In light of this, Musk evidently thinks that market trepidation will present Buffett with purchasing chances. Musk is concerned that a combination of rising rates and a slowdown in the economy could reduce demand for cars and drive down stock prices. More rumors that the renowned investor is selling Bide shares in favor of Tesla were stoked by Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway sale of share. Of Bide, competitor of Tesla last year, news of Berkshire Hathaway, led by Warren Buffett, gradually unwinding its 14-year ownership in Bide, China's largest domestic EV manufacturer and Tesla's main rival, surfaced a few months ago. People assumed that Warren Buffett was buying Tesla stock by selling Bide as a result of this. Recent remarks made by Buffett's right-hand man did little to allay rumors that the business is planning to purchase Tesla stock or is actively purchasing shares of the company. In a CNBC Squawk Box program, Vice Chairman of Berkshire Hathaway Charlie Munger stated that Tesla's achievements in the auto industry are nothing short of a small miracle. Munger praised Tesla, Elon Musk's electric car startup, describing it as an incredible achievement in the U.S. auto industry. In the interview, Munger stated, "I was definitely surprised that Tesla did as well as it did." Munger clarified, though, that he does not compare Tesla to Bitcoin. He claims that Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has accomplished certain admirable things that others were unable to accomplish, and that Tesla has made some genuine contributions to modern society. It's been a very long time since we've had a successful new vehicle company. It's a small miracle what Tesla has accomplished in the auto industry, Munger remarked. Despite being the largest electric vehicle company in the world by market capitalization, Tesla's stock has dropped by over half in the last few months. Even lower are Lucid Group and Rivian Automotive. While NIO's more than 20% loss over the last 3 months appears to be improving, it still lags behind Bide's gain. With a 14% ownership stake, Bide is experiencing significant growth. Over the past 3 months, the stock has increased by almost 5%. Although that might not seem like much momentum normally, during the same period, the rest of the EV industry has performed appallingly. Regretfully, it's becoming clear that Bide is surpassing Tesla. Indeed, there is a big distinction between the EVs that the two companies sell. While Tesla exclusively sells completely electric vehicles, Bide markets plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, PHEVs, as well as fully electric vehicles. Compared to fully electric EVs, the driving range of PHEVs is longer. Additionally, Bide outsells Tesla on pricing, increasing the demand for its EVs in China. Tesla has been compelled to lower the price of its vehicles sold in this sizable nation in the interim. Due to these characteristics, Bide is easily outpacing Tesla in sales. Bide claimed to have sold 1.9 million electric cars by the year 2022. Tesla only sold 1.3 million electric vehicles. The COVID-19 epidemic has caused difficulties for both firms' manufacturing operations in China. Despite this, Bide seems to have handled the problems better than Tesla. Tesla is many things one of the most popular stocks of the past 10 years, a trailblazer in the electric vehicle EV space and inventive. It isn't a Warren Buffett stock, though, at least not in one particular sense. It's Bide. There's undoubtedly a lot about Tesla that Buffett would find appealing. As far into the future as we can see, CEO Elon Musk believes the company can increase its vehicle deliveries by an average of 50% yearly. Right now, Tesla has the greatest operating margin in the whole car business. Electric vehicles seem to have a bright future. However, Tesla's stock has dropped by about 75% from its peak. So why is Buffett not grabbing Tesla shares by the balls? It could be assumed by some that Buffett has no interest in Tesla because it is outside his expertise. Ultimately, the renowned investor is said to have shunned a number of the largest tech stocks for years on the grounds that he lacked sufficient understanding of their respective industries. But this may be crossed out of Buffett's list of objections to Tesla. Buffett has previously shown that he has no problem purchasing EV stocks. 4.9% of the Chinese EV manufacturer BYD is owned by Berkshire. It also owns 3.5% of General Motors, which is increasing the manufacture of electric vehicles. Having said that, it shouldn't be too hard to determine the fundamental factor valuation that most likely motivated Buffett to decline purchasing Tesla stock. Tesla's price-to-earnings growth ratio is 1.08, and the company is now trading at about 24 times earnings. Compared to several other stocks that are now in Berkshire's portfolio, those measures are superior. But as many have noted, the price of Tesla stock is high. Given this, Buffett has a simple criteria he applies to determine whether to purchase a business if the stock isn't priced fairly in relation to the lower end of its expected earnings range. He looks elsewhere. He also keeps far away if he is unable to project earnings for a minimum of 5 years into the future. The Buffett test is not passed by Tesla. Alternatively, Buffett could not think Tesla has a robust enough moat. By the end of 2022, the corporation was offering discounts on some car models in an effort to increase sales. Like many others, Buffett may see this decision as proof that Tesla may not have as strong of a competitive advantage as many believe. Notably, Elon Musk has discussed how he differs from Warren Buffett, the richest man in the world, in terms of their business strategies. The CEO of Tesla has previously disregarded Buffett's recommendation to investors to look for businesses with buffers or moats surrounding them. Moats are lame, and it is the speed of innovation that matters, Elon Musk stated in 2018, according to CNBC. It's also important to remember that Buffett looks attentively at the management team of a firm before purchasing stock. Elon Musk clearly doesn't match the mold of the CEO Buffett typically works with to favor. Nevertheless, Buffett seems to think highly of Elon and, by extension, Tesla's prospects for success in the not-too-distant future. Buffett commended Musk's achievements at Tesla in an earlier interview with former CBS anchor Charlie Rose. Elon really, didn't he? He's competing against companies like Ford, Toyota, and General Motors who have all the resources, and all he needs is an idea to succeed. That is the United States. It cannot be imagined. It's incredible, Buffett exclaimed. The number of automakers entering the EV market is increasing at an exponential rate. Companies will be able to catch up to Tesla and manufacture EVs of the same caliber, most likely sooner rather than later. But even now, Tesla continues to be the top EV manufacturer. And it goes farther than that. Their advantage stems from the Tesla team's constant innovation and product development. Tesla created a successful business model for introducing attractive electric cars to the market. While not having invented the electric car or even the luxury electric car, one factor contributing to Tesla's stock's explosive rise since its initial public offering is the company's novel business strategy, which involves maintaining control of sales and servicing. Nevertheless, a lot of investors and financial analysts view Tesla more as a technology firm than an automobile manufacturer. That is at least how they explain the stock price's explosive rise of over 300% in a single year beginning in 2013. With a market valuation of more than $600 billion, Tesla rose to become one of the most valuable corporations in the world. Many people are now curious as to whether Buffett would purchase Tesla stock if he approved of the firm's management, thought the company had a strong moat, and enjoyed its value. It's still only a maybe even if all those boxes are marked. As Buffett famously stated, the secret to successful investing is to simply sit back and watch pitch after pitch pass by, waiting for the one that hits your sweet spot and disregard those who shout, swing, you bum. Put differently, Buffett understands that he can hold off on purchasing equities until they are the best fit for his investment plan. Buffett will choose other equities over attractive ones, even if the former is more appealing to him. To receive more news on Tesla stock, subscribe to this channel.